Okay, so a few words about iXblue Specialty Fibers Division. It's difficult to stay in under 6 minutes to speak about iXblue. iXblue now, it's quite big group, French company with 700 employees and 140 million turnover, mainly at the export. We have the chance to do all these stuff in France with all the R&D production located in France. So we have a strong team on R&D for all these activities, and we are specialized in offering solutions and services for navigation, positioning, imaging, and photonics is a big part in each of these solutions. So inside iXblue, we have 10 divisions, and the Photonics division is around 80 people now, offering specialty fibers and fiber grating components and modulation solutions. One particularity of the group is that we are vertically integrated, and so we have all the know-how to produce the complete system from scratch, from the fiber, from the gas, from the raw material to a complete shipyard that can run over the seas to make imaging. So the total, the sum of technology inside the group is very huge. Even 700 people is quite small company to have so large view of technology. So 2 examples here. For example, in the fiber optic gyroscopes, we have a lot of iXblue products inside. PM fiber for the coil, for the sensing part. We have also the FBG to stabilize the source, the optical source, which is an erbium doped source using a fiber also made inside the group. We are producing now our own quartz accelerometers, and the IOC is also made by the Photonics division of iXblue. Another second example, space erbium doped fibers amplifiers. We have strong activities on the radiation hardening fibers now. So we can offer space grade for active and passive fibers, also for FBG. And it's a long story before having this product to qualify and to develop the right chemistry, the right coating of such photonic device. Yes, a few comments on the specialty fiber divisions. In fact, we started a company in 2006 called iXfiber, and we have the benefits of the strong heritage coming from France Telecom labs. So we are doing really all the things to make the fiber from the preform. So we have different kind of technology, MCVD, SPCVD, and different drawing towers for different kind of coating. We know and we learned in the past that the devil is in the details. So as we are vertically integrated, we know that each details count in the design. So what we like to do is to go with our customer from the beginning, from the scratch, and to develop custom solution with them and to run iteration and iteration to have the best product at the end. So a strong activity on R&D with PhD inside the company, and as much as we can, papers in every conference. So in terms of product range, we have active fibers doped with erbium, ytterbium, thulium, molybdenum, even neodymium. So we can cover all the silica window. And now we are trying to go lower and higher at lower and higher wavelengths than silica with the help of Photonics Bretagne also, which which help us to improve our R&D also. So one example, for example, is the LiDAR activity. We developed in the past LMA erbium beam fiber for LiDAR application to detect turbulence based on Doppler effect. So at the end, with collaboration with Onera and Thales, we finally obtained a PM large core fiber that is now available commercially. And with this fiber, Onera improves his LiDAR performance by a factor of 2, pushing the wind measurement speed up to 16 kilometers. That's an example of what we can offer. And in terms of passive fiber, we have now a long list of different products from PM, PZ fiber, polarizing spun fibers, and one family which is really growing up is fiber for harsh environment. So especially for radiation, where we have identified a lot of need now and for the future. So the PM fiber are mainly used for fiber gyro, but the PZ and the spun fiber is now also mainly used for fiber optic current sensor application, for example. In terms of harsh environmental fibers, so it's new products that are coming now on the catalog. It's different kind of single mode passive fibers coated with different appropriate material for high temperature or different kind of environment. And more than the coating itself, we optimize the chemistry of the core to offer the lower radiation-induced attenuation. Fiber bright grating is not completely in the scope today, but we have also the capabilities here to produce our own FBG for different kind of application and like sensing also, but also for fiber laser cavity or more new application using a DFB fiber laser, for example, or ultra narrow bandwidth filters. Okay. So yes, as I said, we like to do and to offer custom solutions. So it's really a strength to master all the production from the R&D from scratch to the high volume production, because we have experience, we have production inside the group that needs high volume of fiber. So we have all this experience to make custom R&D and to have industrialized products also. So your two questions: what iXblue Photonics can bring to other EPIC members, and what can other members of EPIC could do for us? I say yes. What I said is the devil is in the details. So my opinion is that what we can offer is our experience in development of manufacturing of custom solution from scratch to high volume. And we like collaboration. We like to develop new products. So we're really open to collaboration and to go on a European project, for example.
Thank you very much, Benoit, for a great presentation. I must say that Benoit is also one of the stars of EPIC. I introduced many companies, you always follow up, and that's really what makes our network so active.